In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the master slide in PowerPoint. This skill is invaluable for creating consistent professional presentations with ease. So let's dive in and learn how to master the master slide in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or finding it in your computer's list of applications. Once you've opened PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This screen is your gateway to recent documents, templates, and the option to open other presentations. Now moving on, it's time to open your file from the opening screen. You'll see a list of your most recent PowerPoint presentations here. If the presentation you want to edit isn't visible straight away, don't worry. You can always click on Open Other Presentations at the bottom of the list to navigate through your computer's folders and find the specific file you're looking for. Once you've located your presentation, click on it to open it in PowerPoint. After your presentation is open in PowerPoint, your next step is to switch to the View tab. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window and you'll see a series of tabs such as File, Home, Insert, and so on. Click on View, which is one of these tabs. This action changes the ribbon, showcasing a new set of options available to you. In the options under the View tab, you'll find Slide Master. Go ahead and click on it. By selecting Slide Master, you're stepping into the backstage area of your PowerPoint presentation where all the magic happens. This is where you can make changes to the master slide, which will then affect the entire presentation, helping you maintain a consistent look and feel across all your slides. Now you're in the Slide Master view and it's time to do the necessary changes. The Slide Master itself is the top slide in the left-hand pane. Any changes you make here will affect every slide in your presentation. This can include altering the background style, fonts, colours, adding a logo, or modifying placeholders. Plus, you can also edit or create new slide layouts beneath the main Slide Master slide, which can be applied to specific slides in your presentation for variety, while still keeping the overall consistent theme. As you're making changes, remember that less is often more. Aim for a clean, professional look that will make your content stand out. And here's a pro tip. If you decide to change the font, choose one that's easily readable and stick with 1 or 2 complementary fonts throughout your presentation. Once you've finished making your adjustments, it's time to close the master view. To do this, look for the Close Master View button in the ribbon. It's usually located on the right side. Clicking this will take you back to the normal view of your PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and adjustments, you've now edited the master slide in PowerPoint. This approach ensures your presentation has a uniform look, saving you time and energy from having to individually format each slide. Not only does this make your presentation more visually appealing, but it also makes it appear more professional, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, the goal here is to empower you to create presentations that are both impactful and consistent. So feel free to revisit the Slide Master as often as needed to tweak and perfect your design. Editing the master slide is just one of many features that PowerPoint offers to enhance your presentations and make them stand out. Congratulations on adding this essential tool to your skill set. I'm sure you'll find it incredibly useful for all your future PowerPoint projects. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now more comfortable with editing master slides in PowerPoint. Be sure to experiment with different designs and layouts to see what works best for your specific needs. Happy presenting!